Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am only VJ and I. Today, I'm going to teach you about MS Excel 2021, Lesson 32. In today's session, we are going to discuss the daily record sheet in great detail, specifically focusing on how you can effectively maintain a comprehensive log of all your daily income and various expenses. Now, as you can clearly see right here in the spreadsheet, we have the daily record sheet layout. Following that, we can observe what our initial opening balance was at the start, and then we can see exactly what our final current balance is right now. Now, as you can see, whatever data we enter here, we will record its details here. If it is income, we will enter it here. If it is an expense, we will enter it here. The opening balance or income you have is being summed here, and your expenses are being shown as a total here. Today, I'm going to teach you in complete detail how to prepare this sheet. But before starting the lecture, as always, I would like to say that if you learned something new from this video, please do like and share it. So let's start today's lecture. First of all, we need to create a new sheet. I will click on the plus sign and you will get a new sheet here. Before starting any work, as I have told you many times before, you need to go to Page Layout and then to Size, and set the paper size according to your preference. Whether you choose letter, legal, or A4, select the paper size as needed. After that, go to Orientation and click on Portrait. For margins, we need to set them to normal. Then we increase the zoom so that we can easily view all the data. First of all, we enter the data here. For example, I have written daily record sheet here, then press enter. After that, we will type opening balance here, and then moving a little further ahead, we will write current balance here. Current balance, and after that, below we will type the date, update, whatever it is, we will add it here. Since we are going to make the sheet for March 1st, here we will first type the month, then the date, then the year, and later we will change its formatting. After that, we will enter the next data. Here we will type date, then detail, then income, then expenses, and then balance. You have to write this data, and for the detail column, what you need to do is increase the size of this column from here like this. Now, after this, we are going to do its formatting. So you have to manually adjust your data like this. After that, first select the top heading, then go to Home. After clicking on Home, select the font size as 26 and merge your cell. Then for the opening balance we have here, let's increase its size a little. Click here, and after clicking, set its font to 16. In fact, double click, and for all the other cells as well, set their size to 16. Click here, set the font, and after that, we have to adjust this data here. Select these two cells and click on Merge Center. This will merge the center for you. Then select these two cells as well and merge them here too. After that, for the date column, select all the remaining cells along with it and merge them here. Then change its formatting. Click here, and after clicking, select long here, and as soon as you click, you will see the data added here. Keep the font size at 16 for this as well. After this, if you want to increase the width a bit for income, it will automatically adjust according to the page. Click here, and after clicking, I changed its color to this one. Then click here and change its color as well, like I applied this color and set the font color to white. Then inside this, we are going to change the color, like I set this color here, a bit darker. After that, click here, click on Format Painter, and click here. The same color scheme will be applied. Then click here, click on Format Painter, and the same color scheme will be applied here as well. In this way, you have to do its formatting. Then after that, we click here, and after clicking, I applied this color here. Then you have to click at this spot, and after clicking, we can apply any light color here, like I applied this one. This is how you need to format it. Then select all the cells here up to where you want to maintain your records. For the first 8 or 10 days, I am creating a daily record sheet here, so I select all these cells. After selecting them, you need to go to the Home tab. After clicking on Home, from the font group, select all borders. Then select these two cells and merge and center them. Here, enter balance. Similarly, select all the cells below and apply all borders to them as well. Then select these here. After selecting them here as well, I have applied a blue color or white, any color of your choice. Then we select this heading. After selecting here too, you can adjust any color you like inside it. For example, I have given it this green color, and then we set it from here. So in this way, you need to prepare a format for yourself. Now we have the opening balance. In the opening balance, I am doing it here. On the first, I have 26,000 rupees as our opening balance. And here, let's set its color to white. After that, we type the date. First, we need to type the month, then the date, and after that, you have to type S. If you want to change its format as well, just like we changed the format above, you can apply the same format here too. Click on long date and then enter your details. Like here we have typed. Suppose we paid the electricity bill here, and after that, this will not be counted as income but as an expense. So let's enter 9,500. Now you want to know the balance. Our opening balance here is 26,000 and 9,500 has been spent. So what will we do? We'll write equals to, click on our opening balance and then add the income to it. Then you will subtract 9,500 from it. As soon as you press enter, the opening balance here will show 16,500 rupees as the remaining balance. After that, click here and drag this date down to here. Click here and it will update. Then we type here received cash. So the cash received here is 8,500. This is how you add the received cash. After that, type the formula equals to, click on the balance and then add the income to it and then subtract the expense from it. As soon as you press enter, see your formula has been applied. Here, if you add 5,000 to 16,500, the answer is 25,000. We'll drag this down here. After that, click here. And after clicking, we can also write the date here and we can also drag it below. Then here, let's type suppose stationery. We purchase stationery for the office, and after that, this will be recorded as an expense, not as income. So under expenses, we need to add this. Here we purchase stationery worth 1,250 rupees, and as soon as we press enter, you can see that the remaining balance here is 23,750 rupees. Click here, then write equals to, and after that, click on the last cell where our balance is shown. Then, as soon as we press enter, you can see that it shows 23,750 rupees in the balance. Now we also want to display this balance above as the current balance. For that, what do we need to do? Click here, write equals to, and then click on the 23,750. Press enter and see the current balance showing is 23,750 rupees, whether there is income or expenses after that. In the same way, we add the next date here. For example, on the 4th, suppose we purchased some fruits or got some food like we ordered lunch. There is no income in this case. Instead, these will be our expenses. So here we added 1,550 rupees or 1,500 as an expense. As soon as we press enter, you can see that everything is managed automatically and the balance here is updated accordingly. The current balance is also updated. If you want to change its color, you can do that here as well. In this way, if we add cash, let's track it once again. After that, let's say we add 18,000 here, and as soon as we press enter after adding 18,000, you can see that your total balance has become 40,250 rupees, and the current balance is also the same. So in this way, your daily income is being recorded here, and your daily expenses are also shown separately. Besides this, if you want to see this in a separate list or sheet, what you need to do is type opening balance here and press enter. Then type total income and press enter. Then type total expense and press enter. And then type balance. Now if you double click here, it will auto fit the contents. Click here and you can change the color as you like. Click here and choose any color you want, like this one. Then click here and finally apply this color to the last one. Select these two cells and apply the same color to them and add borders. Select all the cells and add borders. For the opening balance, write equals to and click on the opening balance, then press enter and it will appear. For total income, type sum with brackets, then select the entire income column, close the bracket and press enter. This will show you the total income for the month. Then write equals to, type sum with brackets and select the expenses, close the bracket and press enter. These are your expenses. If you want to know the total current balance by adding the opening balance and income and then managing the expenses, use the same formula. Click on the opening balance, add the income, then subtract the expenses and press enter. The total will be shown here. In this way, you can also display it as a separate list. So this was my lesson for today, where I taught you how to create a daily record sheet for your business. I created this sheet for a few days, but you can design it for the whole month if you want. I hope you learned a lot of new things in today's lecture. If you liked the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. See you again. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.